Hey YouTubers, Rana here. Customer wanted to see the YT X580 robotic vacuum cleaner in action. So I set up a little demo area in one of my hallways in my house. So we're gonna see it working. So I took sawdust from my sander, some dirt from outside, and then some pet hair from the cat, and laid it out in the front. And we're gonna see the robot vacuum in action. Okay, so we're gonna tell it to clean the hallway. I'm gonna open up the app. I already have it set up, so we're gonna tell it to clean room 3. So as you can see, I got sawdust, some dirt, and cat hair.
Cleaning completed. Returning to charging dock.
So as you can see, did a decent job of getting all that stuff I put out there. I have it on the lowest setting actually, so I think it did a good job for what I put out there. All right, if you have further questions, concerns about this product, let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.